Hi guys, Happy New Year, I'm back. Going to be doing a sound test today. Here's my exhaust, all rusty. I only had it for 10 months, but yeah, that's just what happens. This is a cold start. Let it warm up a bit. I'm going to be giving it a good old clean as well after. Got my pressure washer over there. Takes a while to warm up. It's quite cold, it's about 1 degree out here. Right, well, she's all warmed up now. Give you a little rev. So this is what it sounds like warm, quite similar, just a bit more quiet, that's all. It's quite a deep tone, not like a hairdryer, like the 2 strokes. But yeah, it's quite annoying as it's starting to rust the whole way up the, downpipe and the exhaust. So this will probably fall off soon, probably have to replace it. If I do, I'll make a video on that as well. Yeah, that's just what it sounds like. So I know a lot of you will be getting this as your first bike as a 16-year-old, and you'll probably want to make it loud and annoying. So if you've got one of these tools here, you can actually take off this bolt right here, this nut. Gotta be careful though, because this can get extremely hot. I mean, you're gonna burn your finger like that.
Oh, that's hot.
3rd degree.
That's hot.
But if you've been riding, that will be hot. Just leave that there. So now you've made a little hole in your exhaust. As you can tell straight away, it's more bubbly. Sounds a bit like a helicopter if I'm honest. That's if you want to make it really loud and annoying. Just take out this little nut and washer right there, and yeah, it'll make it super loud. This is the 2019 model, Euro 4, fuel injected, so no carburetors or anything. And there's your oil, if you want to go check that. You've got your little air-cooled cylinder there. Now I'm going to be giving her a good old wash. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot, I didn't turn it on at the plug. On now. Let's get to washing, baby! Looking brand new. I know you've probably never seen anyone do this before, but I actually dry my bike with a leaf blower. Pretty much clean and dry. Look at that. Cinematic time.
Let's see if you really trap. Turn off the auto tune. Let's hear how you really rap. Haha. Send a location. Come burn up, boy, if you're bad. Let's see. Your dad left home from young and you ain't done shit for your mum. Oh man, oh man. How you relying on man like y'all? You're mad. You must.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. And just put in the comments below what you want to see next, and I'll make a video on it.